Okay, so we're making trombone. You need a balance sandbag in the back. So we're using like a counterweight, and most counterweights are like really boring. This is like the standard like shitty student counterweight. This is probably too heavy for our horn anyways, because our slide is very light. Like when you look at, this is our small bore trombone. So we're trying to figure out a way to make like our slide. You can look at our slide and tell that okay, that's an O'Malley slide. From here up right now, and most people would just say it's a Bach. It's like this is a Bach. You know, it's pretty similar at the top. So we really need a counterweight that's gonna be distinctive without being gaudy, like a B. So, started off pretty big, pretty gaudy. This is our leaf. Kind of came to the conclusion that it's just a little too much. It's way too big. And so I'm kind of here now, and we're gonna make this one just to kind of get something in real metal, but we're gonna do it a touch bigger. But that's kind of what we're going with. So we scrape, boom. So, we were talking about this off camera, me and Dan. So I f***ed up, and I ordered 3/8 stock instead of 1/2 inch. Our finished part is 5/16, which, if you know anything about fractions, is cutting it pretty close. Boom. Beautiful. So square. Okay, yeah, we milled some sketchy little jaws here. This is not kosher. Like, I should be using hard jaws, but I can't get the screws out, so these are the eternal soft jaws of the mill vise. Got a little probie. There, and then I just leave this cable in here for a quick attach and detach. And then I can't get good health these days. I have rapids on like 0 because I don't want to f*** it that way. I'll f*** it other ways. Oh yeah! Yeah, baby. God, that's satisfying. Dude, finish is really good. That's a $70 face mill, baby. Free inserts. I'll take that. So now we're gonna do the holes. Beautiful. I just don't want it to recut chips, because that's how you break in if the hole like gets filled with chips, and then it tries to cut the material, but there's chips in the way. Beautiful. How good the holes look. How's that for surface finish? Okay, and now we're cutting the channel for the cross brace. So this is quarter inch ball end mill. If I had to guess, this is the most likely to rip it out of the bolt. Wow, that is aggressive. It shouldn't be that aggressive anymore. I did not think it would do that. 1/4" end mill, baby. Okay, this might throw it. This is another spot. This is the most roughing we're gonna be doing. What's the other thing? I have no idea like about milling speeds of beads. I just kind of send it. So this is doing like 50,000 step downs. So I do like 3 or 4 different passes like this. I could do it in one pass, but I'm a little clenchy about my fixture in there, so it's going easy on it. Butt cheeks engaged, you know what I mean? Like a looks pretty good. You guys ready to throw this bitch? Check it out. Oh, there's one more. Really light pass though. It's like 10 or 15,000 feet it looks like. There we go. Nah, yeah, nerd. Nerd. Well, we're not done yet. We get a good shot of where we're at. Not out of the woods yet, Kirk. Chaplain. Likey the sizey. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now we're doing a 2D contour with a 1/8" end mill. So 1/8" end mill is gonna be pushed into these corners pretty deep, so we'll see how she goes. Oh, way down. When it goes in these corners, it might make noise. Oh no, that was actually great. Hey, not bad. I was expecting much angrier screams. Because it plunges in that corner, there's a lot of material. Wow. Ready for this? Ready for this? Money shot, you ready? Oh, slow-mo that. Chattery as shit, boys, but we'll take her. Just like Jesus taught us. Jesus, take the wheel. Not a minivan, you know what I'm saying? Originally the plan was we're going to mill some aluminum soft jaws, but I don't feel like doing that. I haven't done it before, so I'm probably going to mess it up like 6 times. So we 3D printed some this clamshell. I guess I'll take it on and show. These are just negatives. So I just took the sketch made a thing. So we're just gonna, we got some parallels in here. Parallels. Definitely not vice jaws. And we're just gonna put it, not a lot of pressure because we're using a 3D printed part, but enough that hopefully it doesn't fly out. Okay, we're just gonna hand jog this baby. Obviously in production we would not hand jog. We would of course have these made in China by the thousands, just like our friends at every other company in the world. We're just gonna step down 10,000 before it has strong. This takes probably 5 or 6 passes. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Get in there. We're good. A little bit of chattery, just because of the interrupted cut, I think, and our less than perfect fixturing, but I'll fucking take that. Pretty good looking part there.
A few moments later.
So, what's going on there, guys? It's another Friday. That's our finished counterweight prototype. I think if we're gonna plan on doing like some super cool like rose engine style like engraving. If you guys know what that is, look it up. It's some cool shit. We'll probably do some type of like patterning in here based on this leaf. I don't know. We gotta figure out the weight thing, like what it's supposed to be. Both me and Dan here are not trombone players. Gotta get some real people to come and try it and see if it plays well. We don't really know. This could fit. But yeah, it's pretty good. We got the 2 screws on the back holding on. I don't have any issue with that. It looks kind of cool. I mean, what do you want to do? Okay, boys, we're at 5% here. I'm getting the flashing lights. They're turning it off. We're a wrap. Flashing lights. Yep, get all the reflections. Okay. Let's go.